Today I'll be talking about our inline liquid fillers. Please note at any time during this discussion, you can reach one of our sales personnel by clicking on the chat button on your screen, or feel free to use the old school method of picking up the phone and contacting us. We are available to discuss your packaging needs. Aesus has designed and built this unique machine right here in our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. We utilize highly skilled personnel and modern manufacturing equipment. Our facility has an in-house laser cutter, several modern CNC machines, 3D printers, and vertical component storage carousels. This hands-on approach to manufacturing allows us to closely control the build of our equipment and results in the highest quality, which you can see demonstrated in our product line. Our equipment is versatile and is designed and built for durability. We go to great lengths to support our equipment with an extensive service department. We also stock inventories of components which are available on short notice through our spare parts department. We can be reached through our website, aesus.com, or at 514-694-3439. Many factors should be considered when selecting a liquid filler: price, speed, versatility, ease of operation, and reliability, to name a few. Aesus has considered these factors and selected the most versatile liquid filling technology available. Our designed servo motor driven, positive displacement rotary gear pumps. The advantages of these pumps are many. I'm going to get into that a little bit later in our discussion. I'd like to talk now a bit about the machine capabilities. What you see in front of you is our AF8 inline liquid gear pump filler. It features servo motor driven gear pumps, and it can achieve up to 140 per minute fills. Some of the featured standard accessories on this machine include profile filling, which is unique with inline fillers. It also includes variable speed bottom-up fills, a color touchscreen with recipe management for fast changeover, and contact parts with on-off clamps, no bottle, no fill sensors, bottle backup machine stop, and no drip nozzles. As an option, you can also include a full guarding package on all of our fillers. The filler you see in front of us is well thought out. It's got a modular design. We use this filling technology from our AF1 semi-automatic benchtop unit all the way through our fully automatic AF12 gear pump fillers. This machine can be added on by using our expansion package. For example, this AF8 that you see before you can be increased to an AF12, which includes 12 pumps and 12 nozzles, thereby able to meet your increasing demand. Offered with this type of machine is versatility. You can accommodate a wide variety of products that are easily filled on this unit, ranging from light liquids through to a heavy cream and gel. The gear pump is immediately ready to fill again. There's no need to first draw in the required product prior to dispensing, as is the case with the piston filler. Also, with this gear pump filler, you have limitless fill dispensing. There's no restrictions regarding the amount of dispensed fill. Millimeters to liters, ounces to gallons, all on the same machine. With the servo motor driven gear pumps, you can also achieve extreme accuracy. We offer repeatabilities of plus or minus 0.5% fill volumes. You can see that the unit is compact as well. We've designed the frame in a U shape with the pumps going around the corner to allow limited space on your production line. Also offered with this piece of equipment is fast changeovers. We have HMI recipe management. New products can be set up and quickly and easily stored for easy recall. I'd like to talk a little bit about our unique offering now of profile filling. Profile filling enables you to tailor how you fill from start to finish. You can adjust an individual fill into 4 separate zones. You can control the nozzle lift speed, you can control the pump speed, and the pump acceleration. It's a very versatile filler, and it's appropriate if you're filling products that are foamy, trickier products. In the instance of a foamy product, you're going to need to begin the fill slowly in a slow fashion. Another example where profile filling would be useful is if you're filling a container with a narrow opening. You're going to want to slow the fill speed at the end, which is going to prevent you from having drips at the end. The volume and nozzle lift speeds can be set for all pumps to match, or it is possible to set variable volumes and lift speed individually. Speaking a little bit about the proprietary pump that we offer with this unit, it's a solid 316 grade stainless steel, seamless vault style pump that features tri-clover clamps. The pump can rotate 360 degrees in order to easily accommodate any required hose configuration. Our design allows the pump and nozzle to be removed from the machine while product is still sealed inside. This allows the operator to take the components that are in contact with the product away from the machine for cleaning up with no mess. Our Aesus machines that have an HMI also feature a QC code. That's featured on all Aesus machinery with an HMI, and it allows the operators to easily access machine manuals, setup sheets, and component lists, also other pertinent information, all using their smartphone. Aesus equipment is designed with efficiency in mind. Our machinery designs have eliminated unnecessary components and simplified the overall operation of the equipment. Our clients that use this machine include food and beverage, nutraceutical, medical device, cosmetics, pharmaceutical, just to name a few. Please note that at any time during this discussion, you can reach one of our sales personnel by clicking on the chat button on your screen or pick up the phone and reach out to us. We're available to discuss your packaging needs. I'd like to move on now and show a demonstration of our F8 liquid filler. You can see this setup with the diving nozzles and the profile filling. The fill speed slows at the end. As I mentioned earlier, this is useful for foamy fills, where you want to slow the fill speed at the end to prevent splashing outside of the container. You can see we're diving into the neck of the container. You can see the usefulness of the neck clamps with the tall wobbly bottle. It stabilizes the container prior to the fill. You can see our indexing gates indexing the bottles in and out of the fill station. Again, there's sensors there. If there's no bottle present, it's going to stop the machine and halt the fill to prevent a mess. Very versatile machine. This product we're filling is water-like substance. But again, you can fill it to a thicker cream or even a gel. We've got a group of bottles already at the fill station here. Again, you can see the diving nozzles demonstrated. That first sensor in the line tells the machine that there are indeed a full set of bottles at the filling station and it's ready to receive product. The second sensor is telling the machine that the filled bottles have indeed passed out of the filling station. And the last sensor on the line there is that prevents the machine running if there's a backup downstream of the machine. Also, to speak a little bit about the filling nozzles, they're pneumatically open and controlled plungers, on the inside of our IPSO nozzles. The plungers, you can adjust the opening and closing speed, which lends itself to being an extremely versatile system. Good demonstration there of the profile filling with the slowed fill speed at the end of the fill. We've got one remaining bottle coming into the fill station. This will be a good demonstration of no bottle, no fill. Thank you kindly for joining us today with this Aesus Packaging Systems presentation of our liquid filling systems. Hope you have a successful virtual Pack Expo. We look forward to seeing you in the future.